Are you one of the roughly 40 million eligible borrowers waiting to see whether you can apply for federal student loan forgiveness? Well, you may get the chance any day now, although the White House said that last week that there was, quote, no date that was yet set. The release of the application form, the administration confirmed that it will happen sometime this month. So for a little bit more analysis, we want to bring in Danielle Douglas-Gabriel. She is a higher education reporter for the Washington Post. Thank you for joining us. Let's get right to it. Do we have a sense of when people may be able to fill out those applications?
So the White House had said early October, but that date has been complicated by a series of lawsuits that have sprung up in the last week or so, trying to stop the implementation of the policy. Perhaps the most serious and most, I guess, the one that poses the greatest risk is one that's coming from a coalition of 6 state attorneys general in Republican-led states that are saying that not only does the president not have the authority to do this, but also that implementing this policy would risk the revenue for their state because many of them either invest in securities that are held by this old bank-based program or they actually have state entities that service the loans in that portfolio. That lawsuit may create a stall or may halt this policy, but it's not yet to be seen whether or not that's going to take place. A judge is supposed to rule on whether there's going to be an injunction on any implementation of the student loan policy by October 12th. So everyone's paying attention for the next week or so to see what will come out of that case.
So how is this process going to work?
Well, if everything goes fine and the lawsuit is struck down and the Education Department is able to put forth an application, borrowers will be able to go on studentaid.gov, which is the Department of Education's website, fill out a pretty short, simple form attesting to their income as well as whether they were Pell Grant recipients. The Department of Education has documents and folders and files that will be able to verify whether or not you received a Pell Grant. This is a form of federal aid that's for students who are from low-income families, typically earning less than $40,000 or so. By the White House's estimates, about 60% of the people who are entitled to student loan forgiveness would qualify as Pell Grant recipients when they were in undergrad. And that would entitle them to about $20,000 worth of student loan forgiveness.
So the administration also said that if you were one of those people that continued to pay your student loan during the moratorium when you didn't have to pay, you could get a refund fund or you get credit for that. Do you know how that's going to work?
Sure. So if you are someone who paid over the last 2 years, as many people did, and was eligible for the pause in the first place, you can call your student loan servicer. These are the companies that are essentially the middlemen that collect your payments and apply them to your account on behalf of the government. You give them a call, say, I'd like a refund of all the money that I've paid thus far, and they will send you a check. It usually takes about 2 to 6 weeks from what I've been told. Some folks are getting their money pretty quickly. But the idea here is if you are entitled to that $10,000 to $20,000 of student loan forgiveness, well, you can get the student loan forgiveness in addition to getting all your money back. So it's a kind of a bigger win for you. Again, I would caution people to realize that these lawsuits could hinder rollout. So be very careful and be mindful of that. But if you're getting a refund, hold on to that money just in case before we go back into repayment at the end of the year.
That's good advice. Because you know the government will ask you for the money back afterwards.
If they made a mistake. Yeah, exactly.
Like, I already went to Cancun, ma'am. I can't give you that money.
Can't give you that money back. It's in margaritas. Danielle Douglas-Gabriel, thank you very, very much as always. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.